Hey everyone, it's Lily here. I hope you're having a beautiful morning wherever you are. Today, we're going to start the day with something simple but super powerful. 10 English sentences to start your day. These are sentences you can actually use in real life, at home, at school, at work, or even when you're traveling. And yes, we'll fix a few small mistakes that English learners often make without realizing it. So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and let's speak English together. The first sentence is, "Good morning. How did you sleep?" A lot of beginners say, "How was your night?" But in everyday English, that sounds a little strange. We usually say, "How did you sleep?" It sounds warm and natural. You can use it with your family, your friends, or even your partner. Try it. Good morning. How did you sleep? See? It feels friendly, soft, and real. The second sentence is, "I need a coffee to start my day." Now, a very common mistake here is to say, "I want coffee for start my day." The correct way is, "I need a coffee to start my day." It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. This one is perfect when you're getting ready for work or school. If you want to sound even more natural, you can add a little emotion. "I really need a coffee to start my day." That's how Americans actually speak, relaxed and expressive. The third sentence, "Let's get ready for the day." This is something you might say to yourself in the morning. Some people say, "Let's prepare for day." But that's not quite right. "Let's get ready for the day" is simple, clear, and very common in daily conversation. You can say it while brushing your teeth or looking in the mirror. It's like a little motivation to begin fresh. The fourth sentence, "What's the plan for today?" Many learners say, "What we do today," but that's missing an important part, the auxiliary verb. The correct form is, "What's the plan for today?" or "What are we doing today?" Both are natural. You can say this to your friend, your coworker, or your family in the morning. Americans use this all the time, especially when they're making casual plans. The fifth sentence, "I'll take it to go, please." If you're at a cafe in the US, this one is a must. A common mistake is to say, "I want coffee for outside," which doesn't sound right. Instead, say, "I'll take it to go, please." It means you want your drink or food for takeaway. For example, "Can I have an iced latte?" "I'll take it to go, please." Simple, polite, and very natural now. The sixth sentence is for school or work. "Sorry, I'm running a bit late." Sometimes people say, "I'm late a little bit," which sounds odd. The natural way to say it is, "I'm running a bit late." You can use it when texting your teacher, your boss, or a friend. It's polite and sounds casual at the same time. For example, "Hey, sorry, I'm running a bit late. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Americans often use running like this. It doesn't mean you're literally running, it just means you're behind schedule. The seventh sentence, "Can you help me with this?" Now, many learners make the mistake of saying, "You help me this," or "Can you help me for this?" The correct one is, "Can you help me with this?" It's polite and very common in daily life, at school, at work, or even at home. For example, "Can you help me with my homework?" Or, "Can you help me with this email?" Americans appreciate when you ask nicely, so always add "please" if you want to sound extra polite. The eighth sentence is for shopping. "How much is this?" This is short but super important. A lot of people say, "How much this?" which is missing the verb is. Remember, we always need the full question. How much is this? You can use it anywhere. At the supermarket, at a clothing store, or at a local market. If you're shopping online, you can even say, "Excuse me, how much is this one?" Or this on sale. Little questions like these make your English sound more natural and confident. The 9th sentence is about emotions. I'm feeling a bit tired today. Many beginners say, I am very tired today, every single time, but sometimes a bit or little sounds more natural. Americans often use softer expressions when they're chatting casually. For example, I'm feeling a bit tired today, but I'll be fine. It sounds friendly and honest. You can also switch it up depending on your mood. I'm feeling great today, or I'm feeling a little stressed today. The key is using I'm feeling instead of just I am. It sounds more like real spoken English. And finally, the 10th sentence, my favorite. Let's make today a good day. This one is simple, but it has so much power. Instead of saying, today will be good day, which is missing I, we say, let's make today a good day. It's not just a sentence, it's a mindset. You can say it in the morning before leaving home or when you're talking to your friends or family. It's like telling yourself, no matter what happens, I'll stay positive, kind, and focused. Let's put these sentences into a little everyday story so you can hear how they sound in real conversation. You wake up, stretch, and say, "Good morning. How did you sleep?" Then you smile at the mirror and say, "Let's get ready for the day." You grab your phone and tell your friend, "What's the plan for today?" Then you head to the kitchen, half awake, and say to yourself, "I really need a coffee to start my day." You stop by a cafe and say, "Can I get a latte?" "I'll take it to go, please." The barista smiles and you head out feeling awake and ready. On your way to work, you realize the traffic's bad, so you text your boss, "Sorry, I'm running a bit late." When you arrive, your coworker asks for help and you say, "Sure, can you help me with this too?" Later, during lunch, you go shopping and ask, "How much is this?" at a cute little store. By the afternoon, you start to feel a little tired and tell your friend, "I'm feeling a bit tired today." She laughs and says, "Same here." You both smile and agree, let's make today a good day. And that's how these 10 simple sentences can fit into your real life. They're not fancy or difficult. They're the kind of English that people actually speak every single day in the US. If you start using them daily, you'll notice your confidence growing, your pronunciation improving, and your sentences sounding more natural. Just remember, don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to sound natural and comfortable. Small mistakes are totally okay. They're part of learning. The more you speak, the better you'll get. Try practicing these 10 sentences out loud every morning. Say them slowly, with emotion, like you're really living them. That's how English becomes part of you, not just something you study, but something you feel. So take a deep breath, smile, and repeat after me. One last time, good morning. How did you sleep? I need a coffee to start my day. Let's get ready for the day. What's the plan for today? I'll take it to go, please. Sorry, I'm running a bit late. Can you help me with this? How much is this? I'm feeling a bit tired today. Let's make today a good day. See? Simple, warm, and real English for everyday life. If you practice these sentences every morning, you'll start to think in English naturally. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember, every single day is a new chance to get better. You're doing amazing. See you next time.